Welcome! In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere on one of the pages you will find a screen recording toggle, which for me it's right over here. Once you find it, tap on it. This will give us two options for audio and showing touch inputs on the screen. Now in audio you can select to record device, microphone, or both, and obviously if you don't want to record any audio, just keep it off. And I will enable the touch gestures on the screen just so you can see how that looks like, because it does affect the actual screen recording. So once you press start, it begins a countdown and it records. So can kind of see right, I guess you'll probably see it better on the screen recording once I play it back, but yeah, you will get to see how the actual screen inputs look like. And additionally, just kind of opening up a couple apps just so it looks there's something to actually see on the recording. Now once you're done with your screen recording, simply select stop. This automatically saves it to your Photos application. There we go. Now it should be somewhere in here, but probably easier way to find it would be by going into search, and then I'm gonna go, I believe, screenshots. Nope. Let's go videos, nothing in here. I guess it didn't save it into any kind of like catalog, which is weird, but I guess it's here, so anyway, so you can see this little grayish dot. That is where my finger was obviously pressing, and this will be visible on the recording. Now the reason why I enable this is because if you're planning to record something like gameplays, this might be fairly distracting, especially when you have more than one finger on the screen, but in terms of videos for like I'm doing, where you explain stuff, this kind of helps you to see where someone was pressing on the display, and obviously makes it easier for you to see it. So anyway, this is how you record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.